For the trading period ending September 23, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Jamaica Highway Limited shares of 14,373,094 units traded, representing 50.83% of market sales volume. Gaming and Entertainment Group Supreme Ventures Limited shares of 2,921,151 units traded, representing 10.33% of market sales volume. Refreshment Distributor Wisynco Group Limited ordinary shares with 1,955,784 units traded, representing 6.92% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 24, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $62.7 million purchased and US $54.84 million sold by forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.83 per dollar, selling the US at $161.05 and buying the US at $159.22. The Canadian dollar netted forex traders $2.80 per transaction, with selling at $115.52 and buying at $112.72. The British pound yielded forex traders 71 cents in profits, with selling at $216.12 and buying at $215.41. For the credit report tip of the day, cash is tight? That's not your roadblock. It's your starting point. Credit is your tool, your leverage, your engine. Use it or stay stuck. Here's how to move. First, separate and shield. Build business credit now. Protect your personal funds while giving your venture room to expand. Then shop and negotiate. Don't accept the first loan offer. Compare, pushback, demand better terms. Invest and multiply. Credit channel into assets that cash flow, rentals, businesses, dividend stocks. Then cut and redirect. Consolidate loans, lower payments, and push the savings into growth. Then audit and upgrade. Pull your credit report today. Fix errors and raise your score step by step. Wealth doesn't wait. It responds to decisive action, sharp strategies, and relentless consistency. Now, if you're building something from nothing and you're in the resilience or recovery or beyond move of your financial life, and you're a professional woman over the age of 45 and feel like inflation priced you out of assets, stop waiting, stop comparing, start moving. Here's your action plan. Run your numbers. What's your net worth, your debt, your income? Don't guess, measure. Cut and redirect. Eliminate wasteful spending and push those dollars into investments that grow, stocks, rentals, or a business. Then create new income streams. Use your expertise. Launch a side hustle. Offer consulting. Then leverage credit and strategy. Good credit isn't just a score, it's leverage. Use it to access funding for assets and opportunities. Build your wealth squad. Don't go solo. Have advisors, coaches, and strategists. Every step compounds. Every move positions you closer to ownership, freedom, and independence. This isn't about catching up to peers. It's about building your comeback story with relentless action. The window isn't closed. The time isn't gone. The next 90 days can change your trajectory if you act. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.